Hi, I'm Carly and I'm here to help you succeed with social media marketing. I teach social media strategy to help businesses get more traffic to their websites, generate leads and ultimately make more sales. If you're a business owner or work in sales and marketing, you probably realise that digital marketing is the best way to attract clients and generate leads for your business. But it's quite overwhelming knowing where to start or which area to focus your effort on. So the aim with this YouTube channel is to provide a digital marketing training you can implement easily to grow your business. I've been working in digital marketing for almost 10 years now for a range of companies including Symantec, Mondelez International, Veritas and Kronos, and now work as a social media consultant. Before getting into marketing, I worked in TV and video production. Now video marketing has become such a vital component of most digital marketing campaigns, this experience has complemented my marketing skills really well. So I also teach video marketing. This includes scripting, filming, editing and optimisation of videos for social media. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you're interested in learning more about social media and video marketing. I'm also available for consulting and you can contact me via my website or email carly@thisis.social. I also check and respond to YouTube comments regularly, so feel free to ask any questions that way. Thanks for watching.